Did you know that the food you eat every day can either help fight or feed cancer cells? By the end of this video, you will know 5 common foods that can help you fight cancer cells naturally. Stick around because you will not want to miss this surprising food at number 5. First up, we have broccoli. This green veggie is not just a nutrient powerhouse, it's also loaded with sulforaphane. Studies have shown that sulforaphane can target and kill cancer cells while sparing healthy ones. Eating broccoli regularly can lower your risk of breast, prostate, and colon cancer. One of the best ways to enjoy broccoli is by steaming it lightly to preserve its nutrients. You can add it to your salad, stir fries, or even blend it into a smoothie for a health boost. Trust me, your body will thank you. Next on our list are blueberries. These small but mighty berries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These antioxidants help protect your cell from damage and prevent cancer cells from spreading. Some research even suggests that blueberries can help reduce the growth of tumors. Blueberries are incredibly versatile. You can eat them fresh, add them to your smoothies, sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal, or even bake them into your healthy treats. They are a delicious way to boost your health. Number 3 is garlic. This flavorful bulb is known as for its strong aroma, but did you know it contains a powerful compound called allicin? Allicin has been shown to have anti-cancer properties, helping to reduce the risk of stomach, colon, and esophageal cancers. It works by boosting your immune system and reducing inflammation. Garlic is best used fresh. You can add minced garlic to your sauces, soups, roasted vegetables, and even salad dressings. Just remember to let it sit for a few minutes after chopping to activate its beneficial compounds. Our fourth cancer-fighting food is green tea. This ancient beverage is rich in catechins, which are powerful antioxidants. Catechins help prevent cell damage and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Drinking green tea regularly can lower your risk of cancer like breast, liver, and prostate cancer. Green tea is a fantastic alternative to coffee. Enjoy it hot or iced and try to drink 2 to 3 cups a day to reap its health benefits. You can even add a squeeze of lemon for an extra boost of antioxidants. Last but not least, we have almonds. These nutritious nuts are a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage and helps reduce the risk of cancer. Almonds are also packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a perfect snack for overall health. Snack on almonds throughout the day, add them to your salads, or use almond butter in your smoothies. Try adding at least one of these food to your meals and you will see a huge difference for yourself.